Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by proving who you are now. Use the account's primary email or phone and enter the recovery flow immediately. If recovery codes exist, paste them. If not, select Identity Verification and upload a clear ID scan. Once done, note the exact device and last login time. Providers use those details to match you. Make sure your submitted name and birth date match account records exactly, and speak clearly when prompted by any live support option. Next, fill the full recovery request with precise answers. Vague responses delay approval. Describe recent activity, add the devices you used, and include billing or subscription receipts if available. Attach screenshots of account settings or messages proving ownership. Once submitted, monitor the verification email and be ready to respond to follow-up questions quickly. Make sure timestamps match your attachments because automated systems cross-check them, and a complete early submission reduces manual review time. Finally, accept the restoration email, create a strong, unique password, and enable two-factor authentication to lock down access. If the system denies your request, escalate. Request a human review and resubmit clearer or additional evidence like higher-resolution ID images or proof of payment. Once you regain control, update recovery contacts and record the ticket ID for future reference. A key troubleshooting tip: if automated checks fail, higher quality documentation and prompt human follow-up usually resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.